Welcome to Greyhawk at Golf Club of the Everglades. Spread across over 500 acres, this new gated community will feature 550 luxurious home designs nestled within the beautiful landscape of the existing Golf Club of the Everglades. Designed by acclaimed golf course architect Rees Jones, the 18-hole championship golf course features diversity, challenge, and aesthetic appeal. The club currently includes an elegant clubhouse featuring a pro shop, stunning men's and women's locker rooms, and a restaurant offering casual cuisine, a grand clubhouse, and extraordinary resort amenities. Pulte homes at Greyhawk will be life-tested, which means we take ideas from our homeowners and build them into new home designs. Greyhawk is located in Naples, the premier destination in Southwest Florida. The community is just minutes from world-class shopping and dining, exceptional community parks and recreational activities, renowned performing arts and cultural centers, and just 9 miles from the beautiful sugar white sand beaches of Florida's Gulf Coast. Premier golf and resort living await you here in Greyhawk at Golf Club of the Everglades.